Hi viewers, Ahmed here, and today we are covering a critical update from Islamabad. The recent hailstorm has left a trail of destruction, especially for solar energy users. I'm on site to show you the shocking damage, reveal why some panels survived while others didn't, and share urgent steps to protect your solar investments. Let's dive in. Just 24 hours ago, a brutal hailstorm battered Islamabad. Sectors E and F near Margala Hills were hit hardest. Look at this. Entire solar setups obliterated. This client alone lost 200 kilowatts of panels, worth nearly 7 million Pakistani rupees. Families and businesses are reeling, but there's a bigger lesson here. Here's the breaking discovery. Monofacial panels survived. Bifacial panels, 100% destroyed. Why? Bifacial panels have glass on both sides. While efficient, they couldn't withstand hail's force. Monofacial panels, with thicker single-side glass, held strong. The science is clear. In hail-prone areas, durability matters more than fancy tech. Wind direction played a key role. Panels facing southwest took direct hits. Those angled southeast survived. But here's the kicker, even brand new bifacial setups collapsed, while older monofacial systems stood firm. Warning: damaged panels risk your entire system. Exposed wiring can fry inverters. Replace shattered panels immediately. One switch to monofacial panels in hail zones, proven resilience. 2 insurance is non-negotiable. Negotiate policies covering natural disasters. 3. Audit your system now. Check mounts, wiring, and panel angles. Don't wait for the next storm. Secure your lakhs or crores of investment today. Friends, this disaster reminds us of nature's power. Let's pray for those affected. If this video helped you, please like, share, and comment Dia for our fellow Pakistanis. Subscribe and hit the bell. Knowledge is your best shield against future crises.